delicious. I'm so glad you're with me today. Today I'm going to be walking back and forth around, so the biggest thing I want you to see here is mostly what I'm doing with my cooking. Today I am making air fryer chicken wings. So, depending on, I got the family style. I'm going to cook all these up, so I have these for a few meals. And as you can see, they come with the riblet and also the center of the wing. So I'm going to cut those up real quick. Alright guys, so here's my last one. I'm just going to cut it, and you're just cutting off the wing. I'll show you here. You're just cutting off the wing, and then you're butterflying the little thing that looks like a little drumlet from the center wing. Just like that. Simple as that. So you have two pieces and you discard this little wing here. And let me rinse my hands real quick. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to season it. I'm going to plug in I'm going to use my air fryer for this, and I'm going to put some garlic powder on them. And this is all to your taste. You can do any seasonings that you want. I've got onion powder, pepper, I've got Old Bay, some of that on. I like flavored, and then when I'm done with this, then I'll pour a sauce over the top of them. Oh, that's cayenne pepper. Be careful, because it'll be hot. Light. If you're not a hotsy-totsy like me, don't go so crazy. And this is paprika, and all of this mostly is for color. Color's beautiful when you're cooking. I'm going to rinse my hands. I'm going to get my little stir stick. And I'm going to set these aside here so I can have more room. All right, so you just kind of stir them up just like that. Get them all going. Get some color and some flavor on them. And now, depending on the size of your air fryer, you may need to do more than one set of little drumlets. So you pull this out, and I just use my hands. If you guys, want to use tongs, that's fine. I don't have a problem with chicken because I always wash my hands really well. So I'm going to put as many as I can in here so that they sit nicely. And then I'm going to have to do 2 batches, it looks like, which is fine. And then I'm going to take these and I'm going to put these into my air fryer. And I'm going to cook them for about 25 minutes on about 350 degrees. And then when I get done with that, I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to turn up the heat to about 400 or about 375, 400. Cook it so that they get crispy for about 5 to 10 more minutes. So I'm going to put this on 25 minutes. And while we're doing that, I'm going to make my blue cheese dressing for this. We're going to have celery sticks with it and blue cheese dressing. Now, if you guys like a different dressing, that's fine. No worries. Here's my 3/4 of a cup of blue cheese. And then I have a 1/2 of a cup of mayo. And then I have a cup of sour cream. It's okay to be messy. Don't feel like you can't be messy in the kitchen. Messy makes it fun to cook, I think. And if you're always serious, then you know what? Life's too short. Okay, so I got that. I need some lemon juice. About, I don't know, a teaspoon of lemon juice. I have some red wine vinegar I'm putting in there. And then I want to hit some sea salt and pepper. Now, that is obviously to your taste as well. Oh, excuse me. That pepper just went right to my nose. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I am going to move kind of this aside, move all these over here, and I'm just gonna stir this up so that this has time to sit for just a little bit, and then you can kind of taste it. Ooh, yeah. Oh my God, blue cheese dressing is so easy to make if you have the blue cheese, because you have a lot of the other staples. This is so beautiful, look at that. It's thick, it's creamy. Now I probably am going to add a little bit of pepper, or a little bit more salt, and I probably am going to add a little bit of garlic powder to it, just because if you guys know me, you know I am a garlic lover. I think one of these days I'm going to invent garlic ice cream because I love it so much. All right, so there it is. I've got my my little celery sticks all cut up and waiting. So now we wait. Now we wait. So while I have you, I want to welcome you to day 20, and I want to share with you guys my personal journey so far. Now, I know a lot of people have ups and downs, but I've been so mentally preparing for this for so long that I think that when I finally made that decision to do it, I just kind of put myself all in. Now, I did have one cheat meal, and that's okay, and I'm gonna probably have a lot more, but I've been loving the keto food so much that once I eat my first meal, like last night, I had to remember to eat my second meal about 7 o'clock because I didn't feel hungry. Now, the biggest challenge I feel like, you know, with this is you've got to pre-plan. And pre-planning, I didn't have anything planned, but you know, as you see, I cook all the time, so I always have something in my fridge. So I went ahead and I just grabbed some leftover, let's see, what did I do? I made some keto crackers, and I think I have that in my recipe blog. And I took some of those little crackers, they're almond flour crackers. They're just super easy to make, cheese and egg and almond flour, and you whip it up and bake them. And I put a spread of artichoke with some oil. The oil's probably not the best oil because it's pre-made. I love to pre-make all my stuff, but you know, it was late. And then I grabbed about 10 slices of pepperoni and about 5 slices of dry salami. And I had about 5 to 10 slices, little tiny cracker slices of cheddar cheese. And then I slugged down my water. So, you know, it was easy last night, but it's okay because it was, you know, you have to do that. Now this will be my, you know, this will be my go-to for a few days, which that's what I love, is to always have something to go to. And then, you know, when I make something, a lot of people, you know, just make one portion. I tend to make 3 to 5 portions so that I can continue on with them. So I just wanted to kind of give you an update on myself. I still feel really good. I've been sleeping a lot better, and I have been, you know, I've been really trying to get to bed by 10:30 or 11, which if you know me, I'm a late person and I'm an early riser. So sometimes I don't go to bed until 12, 1 o'clock, 1:30, and then I have a hard time sleeping. So I've been forcing myself to go to bed between 10:30 and 11. I actually been sleeping a lot better. So I think between the combination of keto, eating keto, and forcing myself to go to bed a little bit earlier has really helped too. So what I'm going to do, these are going to take a while, so I'm just going to just call it a day for day 20. This has been a beautiful day. This is going to be a beautiful recipe. I will continue on with this once I need to turn them, and so that you can see them, and then once I take them out and I put the sauce on them, and then I fit it all together for you so that you can see. But this recipe, really the only time that it takes, because you saw how easy it was to whip up the dressing and to whip up the drumlets and the chicken wings. So really the time is cooking them, but you will not be sorry if you cook them in this air fryer. They are so wonderful and they cook so well. So just some simple recipes, some simple ingredients for a simple recipe, and I will be back with updates on this little guy here, and then continue on with day 21. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you they got about 5 more minutes to cook out of the 25 minutes, and then I'm going to turn them. But aren't they looking beautiful? They're already starting to brown up. Alright guys, so it has been 25 minutes. Ooh, look at how beautiful those are. So I'm going to turn them so that you can see. Just super, super easy. Oh, see how much of a crunch they've got on them? Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Oh, so lovely. This is so easy, you know. The air fryer could be great for anybody that is, in a hotel for a long period of time, kids that are in college, for a time. This is just so versatile. You can make cupcakes, you can make chicken, you can make steak, you can make anything you want in here. It's just so easy. So now I'm going to put it back in, and I'm going to turn it up to 400, and I'm going to let it cook for about 8 minutes, 7 or 8 minutes. And then we'll pull them out and put them in a bowl and put some hot sauce over the top of them and enjoy. This is what they're like. I'm throwing them in here, and I'm adding some red barbecue hot sauce to them, whipping them up. And there is what they look like. Look how beautiful those are. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know. I don't even know what to say. They're so beautiful. So good. Try them. So good. Beautiful those are. I hope you guys enjoy. See you tomorrow, day 21. Bye-bye for now.